A patio door is more than just an entryway. It connects your indoor and outdoor spaces, invites natural light, and enhances the aesthetics of your home. Choosing the right patio door installation service is crucial to ensure a flawless finish and optimal functionality. For homeowners in Birmingham, finding the best professionals for this job can make all the difference in creating a beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient home environment. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to choose the best patio door installation services in Birmingham. Look for experience and expertise. When it comes to installing patio doors, experience matters. An experienced installation service will have the knowledge to handle different door types, including sliding, French, folding, and more. Ask about the company's experience with various patio door materials, such as glass, wood, vinyl, and aluminum, to ensure they are well versed in handling your specific needs. Experienced professionals understand how to navigate challenges that may arise during installation, such as uneven flooring, weatherproofing concerns, or complex framing. This expertise results in a seamless installation process and ensures that your patio door functions perfectly from day one. Check for licensing and insurance. Reputable patio door installation services in Birmingham should be licensed and insured. A valid license indicates that the company meets local standards and follows industry regulations, while insurance provides protection against liability or damages that may occur during the installation process. Always ask to see proof of licensing and insurance before hiring a service provider to protect your investment and ensure a professional job. Ask for recommendations and read reviews. One of the best ways to find a reliable patio door installation service is through recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have recently completed similar projects. Hearing about their experiences can give you valuable insight into the quality of work, customer service, and overall satisfaction provided by a particular company. Additionally, take the time to read online reviews on platforms such as Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. Look for patterns in customer feedback, including positive comments about punctuality, workmanship, and professionalism, as well as how the company handles any negative feedback. Review their product selection. The best patio door installation services offer a wide range of high-quality doors from reputable manufacturers. A variety of options allows you to choose the door that best fits your home's style, your budget, and your functional needs. During your consultation, the company should provide detailed information about the different materials, finishes, energy efficiency ratings, and security features available. Opting for a company with strong manufacturer relationships can also mean access to better warranties, quality assurance, and exclusive designs that aren't available everywhere. Evaluate energy efficiency offerings. Patio doors can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. High-quality doors come with energy-efficient glass, insulation, and weather-resistant seals to help regulate indoor temperatures. Ask the installation service about energy-efficient options and what features they recommend for Birmingham's climate. A knowledgeable service provider will explain how different materials and glass options can help reduce your energy bills and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Assess their installation process. Ask the company about their installation process, including timelines, cleanup protocols, and any post-installation support they provide. A professional service should offer a clear timeline for the project, communicate effectively throughout the process, and ensure that your home is left clean and tidy upon completion. Additionally, inquire about their warranty policies. Many reputable companies offer warranties on both the product and their workmanship, providing peace of mind that any future issues will be addressed promptly. Request a written estimate. Before making a decision, request a detailed written estimate that outlines the cost of materials, labor, and any other associated fees. This transparency allows you to understand exactly what you're paying for and compare prices with other providers in Birmingham. Be wary of companies that offer extremely low prices, as they may cut corners on quality or lack the necessary experience to deliver a durable and aesthetically pleasing installation. Prioritize customer service. Customer service is a critical factor when choosing any home improvement service. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, the company should be attentive, respectful, and responsive to your questions and concerns. Pay attention to how they communicate, whether they listen to your needs, and how they treat you throughout the process. Excellent customer service is a good indicator that the company values your satisfaction and will go the extra mile to meet your expectations. Choosing the right service matters. Selecting the best patio door installation service in Birmingham is an important decision that can enhance your home's comfort, style, and value. By focusing on experience, product quality, energy efficiency, and customer service, you can make a confident choice and enjoy a beautiful, well-installed patio door for years to come. Don't settle for anything less than expert installation. Partner with a reputable company that can transform your indoor-outdoor space and elevate your home's appeal.